Now the salary and allowances of the members of Union Parliament. Okay. Members of both the houses are entitled to receive such salaries and allowances as may time to time be determined by the Parliament. Everything is determined by the Parliament. Kitna salary wo log ko milega. Besides, they are also provided with many other facilities like constituency allowance, office allowance, her allowance, allowance. In 2011, the local area development fund was increased from 2 crore to 5 crore per MP. Okay, for carrying out developmental work in constituency every year, 2 crore to 5 crores. Abhi hua. Language to mostly Hindi or English. Now we come to the leader of opposition. In Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, a party gets recognition as a parliamentary party if it has 1/10 of the total membership of the house. So, कब उनको parliamentary party माना जाएगा? If he has 1/10 of total membership जितना of the house, उनका 1/10 एटलिस्ट मेंबर्स उनका होना चाहिए बस এখানে আর কিছু বলার নেই যে যে মেনে আমি আসছি women MPs হচ্ছে with 78 seats the women make up 14.3% of the members of the 17th Lok Sabha में 14.3% women members है 78 seats है women का now comes the speaker has a very important post speaker is the one who is the presiding officer okay so election होचे कैसे लिया जाता है the speaker is elected by the house from among its members by just a simple majority of the members present जो है if they give the majority of the members vote in his favor he will become the speaker the constitution also provides for the office of deputy speaker भी एक टर्न है who performs the duty of the speaker when the speaker is absent okay then হচ্ছে panel of chairperson if the speaker and the deputy speaker both be absent है तब क्या होगा from a sitting one of the members of the house out of panel of 6 chairpersons में से एक जन will preside over the सभा एवर इस स्पीकर को रिमूव भी कर सकते हो तुम द स्पीकर होल्ड्स ऑफिस अंटिल ही सीजेस टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ द हाउस और अंटिल ही हिमसेल्फ यदि अगर रिजाइन कर दे ताहले भी वो चला जाएगा ये होच्छे इफ ही खुद रिजाइन्स बट ही कैन बी रिमूव्ड आल्सो फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस बाय अ रेजोल्यूशन पास्ड by the majority of all the then members of the house सारा members अगर pass करे then only but it's a very difficult process क्यों ना क्यों तो उनको चाहेगा ही तो it's a very difficult process if all the members feel कि no this person has to be removed from the parliament then it can be done by all of them then the speaker does not vacate his office on the even if the house is dissolved speaker won't vacate his office he vacates is immediately before the new constituted house आ गया अब उनका स्पीकर चुना गया then he leaves the office he vacates the office a women speakers hoche Meera Kumar Congress MP became the first woman speaker in 2009 Sumitra Mahajan in 2014 and अभी होचे 17th लोक सभा में 2019 में बोधाय श्री ओम बिरला was elected as the 17th লোক সভা का স্পিকার তো এই মোটামুটি ব্যাপার এখানে আর কিছু নেই দেন হচ্ছে আর বড় করব না বন্ধ